135-2 Mellow Padlock renovation. Stove doors laying here against the wall. Needs to be reinstalled. Outside window screen needs to be reinstalled. Have no power to check any appliances. Seen no water leaks. Stove and the freezer had mildew stains. Needs to be repaired. It's gonna be a small touch-up paint, softer tin. Got a hole in the wall here. Needs to be repaired. Batteries for smoke and carbon has been taken out. New batteries need to be installed. I'm gonna stop the work. No water. Toilet's tight. Seat's tight. Bathtub needs to be recaulked. Shower has a shower head. Large trash out. Clothes, blankets, the TV, and speakers. That's about it.